Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So let's get before we get started, guys. If you've not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, as majority of you watching this video probably have not subscribed, because most of my viewers have actually not subscribed, and you must have found this video through the search link. So this is one of the reasons why I want you to subscribe, so you get an update from me. Now let's take a look at this DXY or USD index for the day. So we would want to take this trade right. The first thing that we would ask ourselves, or that will come to our mind before we actually consider taking a trade, right? The first thing is that what is the trend for this movement? Is it an uptrend movement? Is it ranging, or is it downward movement? That is the two movements we tend to have on our assets, right, when trading. So we clearly can see that this is a bearish move, downward movement. So answer has been corrected, right? We can see this is a downward movement. The second one we want to ask ourselves is by including this moving average, which is 10 period moving average. We use it to actually guide us. It is very, very fast, right? To actually guide us. Is it below this moving average, or is it above it? So you clearly can see that this price has been below this 10 period moving average. So price has been below. It is trading below this 10 period moving average. And the third question you want to ask yourself, that since it is below this 10 period moving average, then you have to look for it to sell. And the third question you ask yourself is that, have a pullback happened? Now you know that once you have a lower lows, then you get a lower highs, then you get a lower lows. This lower highs is what we know it can also be called as a pullback. So you have to question yourself, is that, have this pullback over happened? If yes, then you would be expecting, what you would have in mind is that, okay, a new lower lows will be made, a new drop will be made. So that is what we want to watch out for, and that is what we'll be aiming to take, right? But if not, it has not happened. If a drop has just happened, right, and a pullback, which is an lower highs, have not happened, then what will come to our mind is, okay, we will be expecting a lower highs or a pullback, which will be happening soon. How are we going to take this lower highs, which will go bullish? How are we going to take it? That is what will come to our mind. But right, but now, when you take a look at this AUD USD, you see that a pullback has just happened and it has even finished. So you take a look at this movement for it. Let's see it, a lower loss, right? Right. The next movement we expect is a lower high, which has happened. Guess what? After this, it has happened. What you do expect is a new lower loss. Now, this new lower loss have happened. What next do you expect, or will you be watching for, which is a lower highs? Now, this lower highs have happened. We see that it has finished. Now, a new lower loss is playing out. So we can see that this is one of the reasons why we actually closed bearishly. Now, we'll be expecting a new drop like this, right? So that is what we'll be expecting on this USD index on DXY. A new lows would want to be made, right? Would want to occur, which is bearish. So we will be looking for a way to short or sell on this USD index. So that is why, if any pair you are trading to your USD index or DXY, any trade pairs you want to trade into this your USD should actually give us a bullish move. If you want to take trading GBP to USD, then you should expect a bullish move on GBP USD. If you are trading on Euro USD, you should be expecting a bullish move on Euro USD. The reason is that we want to sell or short on our USD index or DXY. So any other pairs to DXY or USD index should give us a bullish move. So that is it. USD index, we are speculating a bearish move for today, which is for the 8th. We actually opened and closed bearish for the 7th, which is yesterday. So today we expect to actually open and close bearish soon. Now, secondly, you see price has dropped. It has given us a pullback, right, which came to hit our moving average. Once that price has happened, what do you expect next? We expect a drop, right? So now that this price has given us a pullback, hit our 10 period moving average. So we are now expecting a drop again on this USD index. So this is one of the reasons why, another reason why I'm telling you that for this 8, we will be expecting a bearish move. Our price to actually open and close bearish for today. Now let's go to the 4-hour time frame that we would want to place this trade. We would want to place this trade on the 4-hour time frame. So what is the trend for this 4-hour time frame? You can clearly see that this is an uptrend move, right? Notice that we would want to sell on this USD index. We would want to look for a way to sell or short, right? But this USD index or DXY is actually giving us a bearish move. So the best thing is actually to wait for it, start getting this lower highs, lower lows or lower highs. So you can see one lower lows here, a lower highs is being formed. So if a new lower lows start occurring, possibly by the mid of this level here, then you can go ahead to sell on this USD index. If not, this price might continue to go up, right? and you will not want to get taken out of the trade. You will not to set your stop loss only for you to go ahead to sell, or and it will go up and take your stop loss. No, you would want to see possible when this pullback is over, which will be over anytime soon. Let's see if it will go up a little bit, which will be over, then we should continue to go bearish. As we are now going bearish, then you can go ahead to sell on this USD index on DXY. So above all, we will be expecting a bearish move first to play out before you go ahead to place that trigger. Or you possibly want to go to your 30 minutes time frame, right? And see if you have multiple break of structure, right? And what can we see? We are seeing a multiple break of structure on this 30-minute time frame. So an indication that we are to sell on this USD index. So you can be patient enough. Once this price drop and it is below this moving average, then you can go ahead to sell on this USD index on DXY. Like I said, be patient enough. Let this price drop a little bit. By that time, it will be below this 10 period moving average on 30 minutes time frame. Then you can go ahead to sell on USD index for the day.